The new LG Hygienic Top-Load Washing Machine. Stylish design. Durable, sleek, stylish design. A black touch display makes it easier to read and control. The soft closing door is designed to close slowly for your safety. The wide diamond glass is made of anti-scratch tempered glass. Hygienic washing. Warm wash cycle effectively helps remove tough stains by increasing the water temperature to up to 40 degrees Celsius. And wash your tub with hot water up to 60 degrees Celsius, reducing detergent residue and bacteria for a more hygienic wash. A full stainless steel tub provides a more hygienic washing condition for your clothes. No need to clean a lint filter anymore. The Auto Lint Clean system allows the filter to clean itself for greater convenience. Lint evacuates the tub with water flow during wash cycle, then is filtered underneath and carried away automatically during the drain cycle. Advanced technology. LG's inverter direct drive motor provides greater durability backed by a 10-year warranty. The large capacity tub allows you to do more laundry at once, providing better time and energy efficiency. Solve maintenance issues using sound data to communicate with an LG call center over the phone or with a simple smartphone app, minimizing costly and inconvenient service visits. By power spraying clean water directly onto clothes, reduce water consumption during rinse cycle. The new LG Top-Load Washing Machine with 6-motion direct drive technology provides customized washing cycles for powerful performance and delicate care. Upgrade from the basic wash cycle using various motions for better cleaning performance. Soft and gentle wash for wool and delicates. Powerful washing for jeans and duvets. With the new hygienic washing machine only from LG, experience the best in advanced hygienic washing technology today.